Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your tiers for your tribe. So we'll go top right. Here you see we already have 3 set up, but we'll go ahead and add a new tier. We'll go ahead and name our tier. We'll set a price and add a description for our tier. We also have the capacity to add an image there at the bottom. And if we would like an early bird, go ahead and hit that option. And we have the options of both a number limit, in this case we'll put 50, or a date limit, which will obviously be up to the volition of the designer. And we also have the option of adding a commercial tier option. And we'll go ahead and save those changes. And you'll see the new tier appear there at the bottom. If we would like to combine the option of both an early bird and a commercial license tier, we can do so. And we'll go ahead and do that now. So we'll hit early bird, number limit, in this case we'll put 200. And we'll also click the commercial license tier option, and we'll set a price accordingly and go ahead and add a description. And once again we can add an image. Go ahead and save that, and we'll see the new tier appear at the bottom there. Now to add objects to our tiers, we'll go ahead and hit Manage Rewards, drop down menu, add the object. You'll see the name, the price, and the capacity to delete it if we so choose. And we'll go ahead and hit Valid there at the bottom and click to the right to close that window. We have the capacity to reorder the order in which they display, the edit button, and the delete tier button. And just as a quick note, once you hit the valid button, subscribers within the tier will have permanent and instant access to those files. Deleting a file won't delete the files from the subscribers' libraries. However, any new subscribers won't be able to access those files. And to preview our tribe, we'll go ahead and hit My Public Profile top right. And we'll see a nice, clean visualization of what our finished tribe will look like. That will include all our tiers, social media posts, commercial licenses. And that's about it for this section, guys. Thank you.